Halor ka thong ban kentiu ya ka kamri Sniang hak po ka than chate lam mingi jong kari India kun thobru ya ka jala Meghalaya hini ka sngi na kaliang ka Icar National Research Center on Pig Rani Guwahati Assam 781131 rangkat ka jinga trelang ka KVK Jayantia Hills bat ATMA East Jayantia Hills District kila ya kundu bat Nongrep ka than East Jayantia Hills District ha east side in Lat Rambai bypass ka Khuborjylla pat sam ki Jingbam Sniang ki mixer grinder ki borti ki laj nalor ka jing pensngau thu ru Shaki habaya de ka kamri jingri ka rap karyang kane ka jing lej sam Jingbam Sniang kumju ki Tiar Donkam Shaki Nongrep ka de ru shibanta ka research extension farmers interface meeting and input distribution program jongka Icar National Research Center on Pig Rani Guwahati Assam bahab hapo ka AICRP on Pig NRCP, a tribal sub-plan. Haka jingalang Shwaban Sam Jingbam Sniang, ladon lang u Dr. VV Gupta, Director Icar NRC, ka JU Kharpuri, Additional Deputy Commissioner East Jayantia Hills District, kum ka sembut kongsan, nalor ki officer bat kinong tre katanat jang karap karyang, rijingri kinong rap bat kiwe. Ukongsan Dr. VV Gupta, Director Icar NRC on Pig Rani Guwahati Assam, habakran. Uong kum kinong shong shnong ka than amde ban nang tang ban bam handre don kamru ban nang kumnu ban penmi niri ya Sniang. Bat kumba ka sorkar India ka jupenyo shibun ki program na kabanta ban lit Shaki Nongrep ban yakran halor ban kentiu ya ka rukom rap ka thong jong ka heni ka singiru ka long ban pensngu tho halor kumnu ban penkiu ya ka jing penmi Sniang bat kumnu ka jingri Sniang kaya rap ban penkala ya ka rukom bat kayo ka kot ha ka than mingi. Habai day bat kijing bam Sniang kumju ki Tiar Donkam bala ai hagan kesni uong kilakot chaka khatsan pon khandriu lak tengka kentup kijing bam Sniang kumba san spa berni ki mixer grinder borti kilat ki bala abani rap haka jing man kasni na kaliang ka kong el Lakyang District Agriculture Officer, IC District Horticulture Officer, IC Project Director ATMA East Jayantia Hills, U Dr. M Lamare District AHN Veterinary Officer East Jayantia Hills District haba kran kila kuntui kinong shnong ka than East Jayantia Hills ban phai khmat shaka kam rap kamryang kari jingri kum kalat ban jakpo madru ban kamai kaji. Hakani ka snila yo ru ka jingkran u Dr. Arsu Chang Subject Matter Specialist Animal Husbandry and Veterinary KVK Jayantia Hills, Nauji Karshandi Deputy Project Director ATMA East Jayantia Hills District katba ka jingkran pensnguthu halor ka rukom Sniang kat kum ka juk start sayan ni scientific piggery farming na u Dr. PJ Das Principal Scientist Icar NRC on Pig Rani Guwahati Assam.
By saying this, that what I wanted to communicate, because there was a deficit of the animals in this region, so people from Punjab, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, they supplied large number of pigs to this region. And I can tell you the last year itself, it was a 2,000 crore rupees business of piggery, especially in Northeast region by the people from other states. So why can't the people from this state, we are the major consumer of the pig, can produce pig for themselves by using certain scientific mean of rearing, by avoiding the African swine fever type of diseases. So by keeping all these points in our mind, we give the trainings also. Under Atma also, I will talk to the coordinator, Atma project coordinator, that if we can select certain farmers and bring them to Guwahati, where we can train them. If they are tribal, we can afford all sort of expenditure, their boarding, lodging for up to 3 to 5 days program, or through KVK also. This is our third and fourth program in the West Jantia also. We produced last year 2 programs. This is the first in this particular region. And our institute is located in just very border of the Meghalaya. So in Chirang area where we also conduct few programs in that part of also. So this is a kind of a starting. I want to see that farmers from this area, especially the pig farmers, can grow, and what kind of support we can give in terms of animals, their feed, and whatever things are required. We are there, and we will be in the link with our KVK, Atma people also. They can start anew, afresh, with the help of state administration, as rightly Madam ADC Madam is here. We will seek her help also. How we can promote this piggery in this particular region. So hopefully, with due respect to this with the rich cultured area, and we have seen the one glimpse of the how rich this area is in this cultural things. We want the farmers of this particular region may grow as a very advanced entrepreneur in the piggery sector, which I could see this a lot of scope is there. And you need a new entrepreneur, you need a new ventures in agriculture, and hopefully the ICR is always there to help you. Thank you very much.
Ijinjok hawa iti injek le man gi wa 95% man wa tikna pada pun kon yo Sniang. Tagani to ko ka jistak science kat ni gua napok betri kwa pun siak je ni. Yo luti man ye bun be kam ni ri gi Sniang. Daw yo bor yi napok ke depan men napok distrik veterinary ni le. Ya kalam senai senai wan rak le ite I urkom pun kha khoni ke Sniang de ke injek. Tayo luti de gajing chong chip yang pi le gajing kwa yang pim to kwa api ong ngayo skim ta wan ne wayo kita ek sarkar yang awan kat ni ong chwai pi umyo di pi de makna kat ni awa chim inu le em bai kate ka hap krek chitong di khnang uyo itai sok tayo luti le kate ka di krek chitong yang pi le che khamat ilu yo bor yo msi ni khnang wa depan men bunsin ong pi depan men kam ni kan nu ko depan men go kwa go yo bi pu to em gi pai ba go penwit manawan si yang bi kredit ka Sniang I hap hak doktor ni manawan si man ka Sniang ngam te hap tho lat tho uti ki dawai ki chin ape untuk dekat ni kamar ri bisa kelot lem kat ni em kam ke dawai em kam vaksin ki em kam guru na dong chadong untuk man kam chwa ta pelaj ha tebiang kat ni em kam ke dong chadong kanang wa itu ki merapi du em gi pi kat kam te kan ni na cuma kan ni galat ka kabui bi sa ba chim ni galat rutin adu ko treatment adu vaksin kena walai kini Sniang yang pi biap khalam ni kan isnya wa pi ka khalam go ong ASF wa medicine wan ka khoi bun wari go dok mesin ngam tu to mana ya Sniang gi ong je mi di sumar Sniang terpade bi sa ba wan ye chem Moga doktor yang ile ne wan cak department yang ile kenang ini kita dawai kita chin kita go etika go yadai kita merap yang pi kenang uye ule urak pembiang. Tayo luti deiti dagini ki jing meeting go kamni ya champat bai ye personal to ep ye personal to. Hagawon ko kom krek kam go ne dewan bi ce ile ne ile ye wan japi kenang wa ketika kita krek lang uye go lai bai kenang ini wala imut to na kumta ka jing to gyong pi
mut ko gaten mut ko wa marsen khang gi yo mo yong u ko ko ba to u staple food yong I to wa im ho dam I obar te ka ta ka thau rep ka thau riang ka yong I wi po wi Nongrep nga ga jen sendong seng it u nei te daw ne ka ta ka jing khen ka jing dia ko na du khang pi yo mo yong tat hadu ka ni gi sni nei ba na dem em ko ko ba kamonuman I gi bru hapo is jentiaแต่กระเตตัวยัวกระเตตัวกระจิงแข่งกับว่าเป็นเสียให้ทิศให้ประคัดยองอ่ะว่าหันเปียมุดกิบรูสันตองสิงอิดกีอยากตายกับเท้าเร็บคำตำกับว่าโตอยู่กับบ้าโคยองพีในบากันนี้ตัวกับเท้ากับว่าเป็นอิมจ้ากับว่าอีโคอย่างง่ายพี่กี่คนกินนัดยองอีแต่ในใจดาวนังกัดวลายกิเตกิสงีกิปอร์มโตดูอยู่กับบ้าโคมโตดูอยู่สุดรูหันรีวัดฮัดวกิสอิงกิเชอร์เมตวัดฮัดวกิโซกิเปki sentuh ki skot ki yong pi le deh sedang piu him yaki kam kita ki kre ki wo pen imja pi le da kor o ni le liang ko horticulture ki floriculture ki ginger ki turmeric ki so ki pi yong pi woro kita to ki wo yiu pen im ki wo yiu e livelihood ye pi hadu ka ringap hadu ka apiculture le ne ka mushroom ka thungtit kita to ki kre ki wo I kam ki Nongrep hak juk ko ka ni em kam perkhat jangai untuk duite wat hadok ke piggery ke Sniang hadok ke Tiar ke poultry hadok ke fishery kita to Nongrep kre untuk do ya agri horti henry kita ki allied activities ki wo ongi ki wo yiu pungku ya kata ka yok ko kot yong ki Nongrep yong I te kata to kwa ukun tu usnen ukun tu I mensi na yipi kam ki Nongrep ki wo kien ki wo dai ki wo em hapo ka ni ka district yong I hong penjulori hak pej hak sendong I ka ni ka meriang ka yong I ya ka sudong ka supun yong I hak makhani ka ในพะหากระต่ายกระเทาเร็บกระบ้ากระย่องอ่ะหากระต่ายกระเทาโบทุงสิงทุงเชิงมิดอ่ะและดากันนี้